Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chocolate yogurt at home. First, gather your essential ingredients: plain yogurt, cocoa powder, and your preferred sweetener. For the best flavor, start with unsweetened plain yogurt. The quality of your cocoa powder significantly impacts the final taste, so choose a good one. This simple combination forms the delicious base. Next, in a medium bowl, combine your cocoa powder with your chosen sweetener. You can use sugar, maple syrup, or honey. Gradually add the plain yogurt to this mixture, stirring gently until everything is well combined and smooth. Taste and adjust the sweetness as needed. Some prefer it sweeter, others less so. This step is key to achieving your desired flavor. To elevate your chocolate yogurt, consider adding a small pinch of salt. It truly enhances the chocolate's depth. A dash of vanilla extract also introduces a wonderful aromatic complexity. If you prefer a thicker yogurt, you can strain your plain yogurt through a cheesecloth for about 30 minutes before mixing. These small additions make a big difference. Your homemade chocolate yogurt is now ready to enjoy. Serve it immediately for the freshest and most vibrant flavor. If you have any leftovers, transfer them to an airtight container and store them in the refrigerator. It will stay delicious for up to 3 days. This makes for a perfect healthy snack or a delightful dessert anytime.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.